Welcome to the channel. In this video, I will be showing you how to add pronouns to your TikTok profile. First, open up TikTok. Once TikTok is open, you want to select the Edit Profile button in the center of the screen. Once here, you can see the pronouns option, the fourth option down. You want to press on this. And from here, you want to type in your pronouns. I don't have no pronouns, but I know some people do. You type them in, press save, pronouns are there, refresh, and as you can see, your profile now has pronouns. If this video helped you out, please leave a like, comment and subscribe, and I hope to see you again soon.